Well, here we go again, doing something stupid. Taking the top off of a Z3. Let's see how well this works out. So I'm a little OCD when it comes to working on cars. I want to make sure they're protected. So here's how you make sure you're protected when you're doing a top on a Z3. You just change the blue to a different blue, although it's a blue purple.
The other side though has this little bracket.
Well, it's not been nearly as bad as we thought. But it's now a true roadster now because there is no top. But hey, I did discover a few things when they installed the sub. Dylan's kind of upset about the way they did the port job there. It's not the best, but hey, at least it's a JL audio sub. But it's actually not that hard. So Dylan and I actually installed him a brand new top over the last 2 days. Now, only reason it took us 2 days because we decided to take a break and just walk away from it. Honestly, it's about a 6-7 hour job in that ballpark. I think it turned out phenomenal. I've been scared to do tops before, but to be honest with you, after doing this one, I'd do another convertible top. They're not hard. Everything lines up good. Now, what he's doing right now, actually, is some preventive maintenance, upgrading the brakes on it. He does need new brakes, so that is what he's doing at the moment. And of course, can't just do one. You gotta do all four, so all four are being done. He did do a tune-up on it. So the tune-up is done. Got some paint correction that he's gonna be doing soon. But, you know, just kind of when you're stuck in the house due to the crappy weather, that's what you do. You know, got a nice little lineup. Just need to get Sierra's car done and out. But here we go.